Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix high memory, CPU, and RAM usage on your Windows that can also slow down the performance of your Windows. So on how you can know the high memory, CPU, and RAM usage, make a right click at the start button and then select Task Manager. Now maximize this, and on the left pane you'll find performance. Click on that. So here you'll find the CPU, memory, disk, your Wi-Fi, and your graphics card driver. Now here you'll know the performance, the overall performance of your Windows. And if you are already having that high state, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. Close this window. Then in the Windows search bar right here, type task mgr. Click on Task Manager under the best match. Maximize this. Then we need to close unnecessary programs running in the background. So as you can see, we have this hill climbing. Make a right click and then select End Task. We need to completely close that from here in the Task Manager. We have the Riot client. Make a right click, select End Task. Then simply scroll down and look for more. For the necessary programs, unnecessary programs, or applications. So here we can find the Brave browser. Make a right click and then select End Task. The Google Chrome browser and task. Then click on Startup Apps on the left pane. Change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup apps enabled on your Windows. And if you find this unnecessary, then you need to simply disable that. So, what will you do? Just make a right click and then select disable. So, you have to do this for all the unnecessary startup programs on your Windows. And once done, just simply close the Task Manager window. Then we need to simply search for sysdm.cpl on the Windows search bar. Control panel item, click on that. Now the system properties window will be up. Then what you'll have to do, click on the advanced tab, performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Click on settings. Now the performance options window will appear. Click on adjust for best performance. And we're going to do some changes right here, like check this box, show thumbnails instead of icons, smooth edges of screen fonts, apply and then OK. And then click on OK again. Then we also need to choose our plan or power plan. Choose. So type choose a power plan in the Windows search bar. Click on it. And if you have the high performance or the ultra high performance on your Windows, then you can either choose high performance or ultra high performance. Now, if you don't have that, then you can simply search for that on how you can enable the high performance and ultra high performance on your Windows and just basically choose either of that. And once done, we also need to perform the disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on it. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Then the disk cleanup for Windows will appear. Simply check all of these boxes one by one. Now the total amount of disk space that I can gain is 1.97 gigabytes. Now in your case, you might gain more. Then just simply click on OK. Click on delete files. And now this will be cleaning up for all the unnecessary files on our machine. So let's just wait for this. Okay, so once done, then we can also perform the Windows security scan. So type security in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Then here simply click on virus and threat protection. Then you'll find here scan option. So this will scan for the threats and viruses on your Windows. Now you have here quick scan, but this will just scan some areas of your Windows. You can do this if you are in a hurry, but I suggest that just go with full scan. Click on scan now because this will scan the entire system. Anyway, you can just simply minimize this and then multitask on your windows. And once this is done, once the scan has been completed, then just simply close this and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your windows. Remember that you have to follow all the methods in order to fix the issue. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.